Alright guys, we're here for our third day in Mahahual, and we are going to do a walking tour today. So we're going to go downtown in the main strip, and sorry about that. And there's all kinds of shops and souvenir stands and things, and a lot of the houses that are down there are pretty cool. Like they're made of palapa roof and grass and things like that, so a lot of neat things to see. Some artistic stuff down there as well, so stay tuned for that. There's this viewing stand along the highway. We don't know if someone owns it or not, if we're even supposed to be up here. It's secure. Holy shit, it seems pretty sketchy. This is bamboo thatched floor. That's all it's built with.
I guess so. I know if you fall from the thing, oh my god.
I think it's good.
Oh my god.
Yeah, maybe we won't. I'm a little thick right now. That was quick. The sky cleared up and it's all sunny, and there was a rainbow. The weather is so unpredictable here in the Yucatan. It'll just be cloudy, then sunny, then rain, like torrential downpours for like 10 minutes, and then it's like clear again. Like it rained so hard, and like wind was like almost blowing us over damn near for like 20 minutes, and it's gone.